So my name's Sam,
And I'm Natalie.
and we're from Portsmouth, and we've travelled up here to attend Samuel Leeds' DFE and Money Your Own Money Down programme. Yeah, so we learned some different strategies. The strategy we're interested in mainly is rent-to-rent and lease option agreements, but Samuel also covers deal finding, deal packaging, development, commercial, property buying.
So we attended the crash course, I think it was back in February time, and then in February we signed up to do this course for it, and we've not regretted it once yet, have we? We're having a brilliant time.
Crash course is as you say, a lot more people in the room. It's very motivational, very hands-on. But on the DFE and the Know Your Own Money Down programme, there's a lot more personal interaction with Samuel. He can spend a lot more time with you because there is fewer people in the room, and actually you can learn off others more intimately throughout the day. So, yeah. And
it's with it being more personal. If you've got a question to ask him, you can just ask him, and he will be honest with you and help you point you in the right direction of where you need to go.
Very, very hands-on, very energetic, very motivational, practical. Really gets you up out your seat and taking some action. Yeah.
It makes you feel comfortable. Like if you've got a question and you feel stupid asking it, he's like, ask it, because a question's never stupid. Like you ask questions to learn.
We're more confident now that we can go out there and really take some action, not be afraid to speak to people, and not be afraid to not really know what you're talking about. So yeah, a lot more confidence. Just to take that next step really and into our property journey. Just don't think about it, just do it.
Just do it. Take action, because if you don't take action, you're never going to be where you want to be in your property journey. And I think like we said, it's best action we've taken.
It's one of the best self-investments you can make, is to work with somebody that's successful and really knows his stuff, knows what he's talking about inside out, can really push you on your journey. And help you get there, ultimately help you get there quicker. It's just been amazing really, just coming. It's just been a really good experience to network and to mix with so many like-minded people that are all there to support and help each other. Just really helps you move forward.
And start building a relationship with Samuel as well really. So he's definitely a good guy, and he's got a heart of gold, so it's nice to actually meet him and have a bit more personal time with him.